Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about makeup brushes. I know it is very confusing when it comes to brushes because there are so many options. It becomes so difficult to choose as per your needs. So I wanted to make your life a bit simple, so I decided to make this video. I'll be talking about all the brushes in depth and I'll be showing you this makeup look along with that using those brushes. However, I will even show you the basic makeup brushes because if you're a beginner, you don't need so many brushes. So I'll be showing you 4 to 5 basic makeup brushes which will be enough for you if you are a beginner. You can do the same look which I have done today using those 4-5 brushes only. So now let's get started with the video. So first I'll be doing my eyebrows. For that I'll use these two brushes. So this one is a spoolie and this one is an angular brush. You can even use this for your eyeliners. This will give you a perfect wing liner. Start with the angular brush and fill in the gaps. Now to blend everything in, I use this spoolie and just blend. So I'll move on to my eye makeup. For my eye makeup, I'll be using these 4 brushes. This one is smaller blending brush. You can use this on your crease line or your lower lash line as well. Now I'll take the blending brush, the bigger blending brush, and start blending the products. Now I'll be using flat brush. So this brush will help you to deposit the product. So if you wish to put an eyeliner, you can either go with this brush. It is an eyeliner brush, or you can go with the angular brush. It's up to you. So now let's move on to base. I'll be doing my foundation first. So for foundation, I'll be using either a flat brush or a stippling brush. So the flat brush gives you more coverage and a stippling brush will give you a lighter coverage. So I'll be doing one side with the flat brush and one side with the stippling brush to show you guys. I personally prefer stippling brush because it's faster to use and easier to blend also. Now for concealing, you again have 2 options. You can either go for a flat brush or blending brush. It's up to you. I preferably use a blending brush because it's easier to blend in the product. You can also use a flat brush. You just need to dab the product in and blend it in a dabbing motion. Now for powdering, you can use a big fluffy brush and powder all over your face. For contouring, again I have 2 options. For my face, I'll be using the bigger brush, and for my nose, I'll be using the smaller contouring brush. So for powder brush, I use this round head brush, and if I'm using a cream brush, I use the foundation stippling brush. So this is the smallest one and this blends in the cream very easily. So I prefer using this brush for my creams. So I'm not at all a fan of the fan brush people usually use to highlight. The one which I prefer is this one. So it's easier to blend in the product. So we are almost done. We just need to do our lipstick. So I have seen that people usually prefer using a lipstick directly rather than using a brush. But I feel that brush fills in perfectly. So I usually prefer using a brush. You can use a lipstick brush to fill in your lip. These were the brushes you need for a full face makeup, like if you prefer going only for brushes. But if you are a beginner and you don't know much about brushes and you don't want to invest much into brushes, then I would suggest you these 6 brushes you can go for, and this will be it. Like you don't need more brushes if you have these. So for eye makeup, I would suggest you these 2 brushes. I won't just suggest one. When you want to fix the product, you need the flat brush, and when you want to blend it, you need this blending brush. So these 2 brushes, if you are a beginner, then you can go ahead with these 2. Next I have is this one. So this is a flat brush. for foundation. You can use this side for the foundation and the other side is for the concealer. So this is a 2-in-1 product. I would say this is a good investment for a beginner. Next is the blush brush, but you can also use this for powdering your face. So this becomes a 2-in-1 brush as well. So you can invest in this one brush. Next, I have a contouring brush. This is up to you. If you are a person who loves contouring or who is into contouring a lot, then I would suggest you to go for this one, or you can skip this. Last one I have is this angular brush. So this angular brush will help you with your eyeliner and even with your eyebrows. So I feel this is a good investment. So all together, if you don't want to buy a contour brush, these are the 5 brushes all you need as a beginner for your makeup. So we are done with our video. I'll be putting up all the brush details and name in the description box, because I know it's very difficult to understand just looking at the brush. So all the details will be in the description box, and hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and share this video. Until next time, bye.